God's heart for us is not to always rush, but to take time to sit down.
So nisakay kong jeep sa FRL. Nursing pagit siya, nihatag siya. Pala ko part siya sa organization ng church siya.
May nasa papel.
Kung ikaw mamatay, nakasigurado na baka nga sa langit ka? Dili. Hello guys, we are filtering but not our personality.
Wow, it's clear. You have to filter clear siya. Clear.
Yeah, but not the personality. Dapat dili filter, dapat real.
No, sa itong nasa papel, malangit pa.
Kay bawa na baka may langit ka?
Say hi guys! Hey guys, we're on the way to MR. Thank you, Shani. That's us. We're gonna go. It's an adventure. It's an adventure. It's so hot, but that's right. That's okay. Good morning. The sun is bright. No parking. No parking. We're in Central Block right now because we have a 3-hour break, and then we will eat. They will eat, and then we will just walk around. And where will we go? Everywhere. That's Sean, that's Brian, that's Kate. Hi guys. Hi Miss. Hello Miss, say hi.
Okay, Kate.
Tanggal din siya. Nagibalik na ko karon dili na siya ma-fully close. Sobra ko. Naguba to ang payo ni Kate.
Basin ka ni.
No.
Ang duha dapat at the same time.
Dili
Go,
lagi.
go.
Ano ito ba? Tama ni siya, uy. May nang pundakan ni ba? Isa ka nang gamay raw. Maka-uniform pa nang talaga ay. Okay guys, so since February team manager, this is Liza, this is my best friend, as you all know. So, I will ask a question. For you, Liza, what is the definition of love? Okay, love is showing up. In terms of like relationships, okay, wala ako sa akong life. So, right now, ako ma-think when ma-mention ang word na love kay akong friends. Okay, right now, I'm very grateful for the group of friends I have. Okay, wala lang, mo show up sila permit. Example, if na ako yung matulon, or like, I have somewhere to go, or I need to do something. Okay, ma-offer yun na sila nga. Mato ko, kailangan ka kuyog, or pwede naman kami na lang, anak. So, yeah. Mo-show up. Mo-show up. Ka na, sakto. Mo-show up ta. If love na to, show up ta, diba? Never ko naka-ask, ano naman ang question sa mga ka na. What's your love partner? What is love for you right now in your life? Pagkaon. So, love is food. Anaksi world, we're all gonna be okay. That's so pretty. That is good. All time. Dinner with Ate Char. Last change structure. Okay, Ricoana. What is favorite name? What is love for you? For me? Yeah. Love is a choice. It's a choice. What about you? Love is peace. Oh, I like that answer. Love is peace. Aww. That's my answer too. Di siya love if dili ka peaceful. Honest, yes. Exactly. Like, dili siya love if maglibog ka, if ka nang anxious ka. Love na siya if peaceful ka. We're in a great shack. We're in rib shack. Manamig rib shack. We're so full. How many rice did you hurot, Shan? One rice. Only one? Yes, yes. What about you, Cindy? Three rice. Me kay four. Yeah! Yeah, we reached guys, an epiphany. What is love? Love is a peaceful choice. I love that. I love that. No further explanation. It's a peaceful choice. Okay, bye. Hello guys, so namin sa dorm ni Joanna. It's so pretty. Wow, hasta yung baso di estetico. Look guys, oh na may lamp. Wow, na si Joanna nasa baba. Wow! Si Kate naradura. Yeah, that's Joanna. Wow guys, so big. Outside. Mauni siya ang room. Diri ang outside world. Meron siya living room there. Wow, this is so nice.
Para sila nga na bumabidyo. Sige, nagpangaw si Josie ang kay mo. Nami ka nang rin na kayo sa dalawa.
Nag-picture ka, Danny. Video. Say hi. So, say mo message, Kate, para mo say mo future boyfriend.
So, my future boyfriend, are you ready? Saan na nga ready, Day?
Day, mo naglahi-lagi na.
Ikaw na dapat din na mo. Ikaw din mo.
Hala.
Ako kahit tinarabas. Nga, ang ate ba dito kayo professionally paid ba?
Masarap ang ID kip po. Makakaroon kagagana ka na.
Mga na mas ate. Niuli ka, Day? Uti. And psychology.
Learn how to ask for what you want, but don't expect to always get it. Correct. And this one also. Learn your limits and learn to set limits with others. Sakto na. And this one also. Avoid assuming burdens that are properly the responsibility of others. Correct. Don't carry burdens that aren't yours, guys. Anyway, I love my psych class. My psych classes. And I love CBTL. Oh my gosh. Guys, love ko na ako matcha sa CBTL. I love it.